but let's start with the first. So the first assignment what we discussed yesterday is this is the input payload, and based on this payload I am expecting the output like this. Okay, so here you will be having multiple output as well. We have added. Okay, so this is how I am expecting my payload, and I do not need the root tag over here. So for this, what you have to do, you have to just use a filter shape. So this is the same payload. I am passing it here, and we will be running in the simulation mode. And if you have to use a filter, you have to give the X path for this. We do not need bit 52, and if you see here, this is what we have to give it, and we will just run it and see the output. You see, now we do not have that B52 tag over here. So this is how you can achieve the first assignment